Hello, Catanites. This is my room, by the way, that I'm in. But anyways, yeah, no luck with the trout. Yeah, after the rain went, it kind of died out down there. Grandpa T got one and lost it before he could get it in. I was disappointed. I thought I'd give you that update. And my temporary room for probably another year or two. Yep, well, that's it. I just thought I'd give you that update. Peace out, Catanites.